This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Ranger. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, full power accessories, a trailer hitch receiver, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, front fog lights, 12-volt power outlets, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, and this vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned certification, a 169-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 3-month 3,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.